You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is a brand name. You got different brands named that way. There's a bicycle company. It's also the name of a famous vehicle, a model by Korean manufacturer. If you want to learn how to say Hyundai, make sure to stay tuned as well to say it correctly. In English, it's pronounced as Kona. Kona in Spanish, Kona, or Italian, similarly, Kona. In English, Kona. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.